In this video, we're going to talk about SHLD instruction in 8085. So, whenever we want to store some 8-bit data from processor to memory location, we basically use STA, right? But what if we want to store 16-bit data, or we want to, let's say, store 16-bit content directly from processor to memory. So for this one, we can use SHLD. So what happens in SHLD is, suppose HL pair contains a data 1, 2, 3, 4H, which is a 16-bit data, right? So whenever we use, the syntax for SHLD is SHLD, and then we provide a memory address. So let's say we've written SHLD and a certain address 2000H, right? So what happens when we execute this instruction is, basically in our memory we take two consecutive addresses. First is 2000 and then second is 2001. Because each of the individual memory address can only store 8-bit data, what happens here is the value in register L, which is 34, comes in 2000, and then the value in register H, which is 12, then goes on to the consecutive memory address, which is 2001, and then it's stored from here. So this is how SHLD works. We can directly store 16-bit content from processor to memory without the use of accumulator. We could have used accumulator, but it only fits 8-bit data, and then we cannot move or transfer 16-bit data using accumulator. So SHLD is a special instruction set which stores 16-bit content directly from processor to memory.